Hi everyone, welcome to our video on efficient tie organization, mastering your multi-grid organizer. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized is essential to save time and make your daily routine smoother. And when it comes to tie, having a disciplined and efficient way to store them is crucial. That's where the multi-grid organizer comes in. Our multi-grid organizer is especially designed to help you neatly arrange and display your tie, making selection effortlessly. With its unique grid pattern, it allows you to organize your tie based on color pattern and style, making it easier than ever to find the perfect tie for any occasion. To get started, simply place your tie in your individual grid of the multi-grid organizer. Each grid is spacious enough to hold one tie without causing any creases and wrinkles. This ensures that your tie stay in pristine condition and are ready to wear whenever you need them. Don't worry about your ties slipping or falling off the organizer. We have included a secure mechanism that keeps them in place. This means you can confidently rotate the organizer without any tie getting misplaced. But the benefit don't stop there. Our multi-grid organizer can even act as a display, turning your tie collection into a visual masterpiece. Showcase your favorite tie and take pride in your well-organized wardrobe. And when it's time to select a tie, the multi-grid organizer make it a breeze. Simply scan through the neatly displayed tie and choose that one that perfect complements your outfit. Say goodbye to rummaging through drawers or piles of tie. With our multi-grid tie organizer, you can efficiently declutter your tie collection, keep them in top-notch conditions, and effortlessly choose the right tie for any occasion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable organizing tips and tricks. Happy organizing!